Now machine overhead. Crane disassembly. Remove the 4 screws on both sides first. Flip display. The right side snap comes apart in the same way. Unplugging the overhead crane connecting cable after removing the clips. Lift the entire overhead crane and rotate to remove. Remove the 4 screws on the front face of the overhead crane. Open panel. Loosen the screws to remove the coil wires. Cut the tie on the coil with a tool. Unscrew the 3 screws above the claw. Open the cover to remove the coil. From the hole below the main body of the overhead crane, take out the one-piece weight overhead ladder. Remove the top cover screws from the back of the overhead crane. You can see the winding direction of the crane rope from the front. Just adjust the winding direction as shown in the video. Now machine overhead crane installation. Install the removed coil back into the claw. Put the lid on and tighten the screws. Thread the white wire back into the overhead crane hole. Simply secure the wire back into the slot and tighten the screw. Put the lid back on and tighten the screws. Overhead crane installation completed.